Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use choose function in Excel. Why would you want to know how to use choose function in Excel? Well, maybe you are new to Microsoft Excel. So today I am going to show you how to use choose function in Excel. Okay, there's our table, these names. We will choose from them. Okay, let's type equal, then choose per step. Okay, index number, the number that we want to choose it. Okay, maybe number 3, Daniel, 3, then comma. Then you have an ultimate choices now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you want. Then press enter. That easy. It will appear choice number 3, Daniel. That easy. There you go. If you want to know how to use choose function in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.